Good morning, children. Welcome to your GK class once again. Today we are going to do the lesson Insectopedia, page 28. We will learn about the insects. Kashish and Rohan were taking a walk in the park. There they saw many kinds of insects. Look at the picture and identify the names of the insects. Take help from the help box. In the help box, we have A. Caterpillar, B. Moth, C. Mosquito, D. Grasshopper, E. Cockroach, F. Earthworm, G. Butterfly, H. Cricket. Now look at the first picture. This is a picture of a cockroach. Number 1. This insect can survive 6 weeks without a meal and 1 week without its head. The answer is cockroach. Cockroach. A cockroach can survive without food, without a meal for 6 weeks and without its head for 1 week. Number 2. This is a night insect that makes a chirping sound by rubbing its wings together. See the picture? This is a cricket. Cricket. The name of the insect is cricket. It makes a chirping sound by rubbing its wings together and it comes out at night. Number 3. This insect does not have lungs to breathe, so it breathes through its skin. See the number 3 picture. It is an earthworm. It doesn't have lungs to breathe. It breathes through its skin. Number 4. These colorful insects taste with their feet. Butterfly. Number 4 is butterfly. They taste food with their feet. Number 5. This insect lives only to eat. It eats over 20,000 times its weight during its adulthood. It has 12 eyes. Now number 5. See the picture. It is a caterpillar. This insect lives only to eat. ये सिर्फ खाने के लिए ही जिंदा रहता है. It eats over 20,000 times its weight during its adulthood. Number 6. The name of this insect comes from the Spanish word the little fly. It is a carrier of diseases. Number 6 is a mosquito. With mosquito bite, you can have malaria, filaria, so it is a carrier of diseases. Number 7. The ears of this insect are located on its belly. It causes huge loss to food crops worldwide. Now see the 7th picture. It is of a grasshopper. It destroys all the crops. The ears of this insect are located on its belly. Belly means stomach. Number 8. The insect mimics other insects to avoid being eaten. A few of these insects do not eat at all as they do not have a mouth. Number 8 is moth. M-O-T-H. This insect, it mimics other insects. Mimics other insects means it copies them to avoid being eaten so that other animals do not eat it. Now this page 28, you have to do it in your GK copy. Come to page 29. Where have they gone? Now these birds, they have become extinct. Extinct means गायब हो गए हैं. They have become very rare. A few birds that once could be seen flying freely are no more. They have become extinct. Read about them and write down their names. Take help from the help box. In the help box, A is pink-headed duck, B passenger pigeon, C Eskimo curlew, D Himalayan quail, and E Carolina parakeet. Number 1. This bird was last seen in 1876 in the Himalayan region of India. The last sighting was a dozen birds, indicating that they usually lived in groups of 5 to 10. The answer is Himalayan quail. See the picture. Number 1 picture. This bird we last saw in 1876 in the Himalayan region of India, and there we saw them in dozens. So it indicates that they always lived in a group. Number 2, this bird was seen in the 1950s. It is the rarest species of waterfowl found in India. Bangladesh is also another country where it lived. See the picture, number 2 picture, pink-headed duck. It is a kind of a duck but pink in color. Number 3, a small bird that traveled in flocks and was thus easily hunted down. It was last seen about 40 years ago. See the third picture, Eskimo curlew. It traveled in flocks, झुंड में. They used to fly and thus they were hunted down easily. इसीलिए उनको मारना आसान था. They were last seen 40 years ago. Number 4, its colorful feathers were a prized accessory for women's hats. Found in the United States of America, the last bird died in a zoo in 1980. The answer is Carolina parakeet. Carolina parakeet. See the fourth picture. Its feathers, they were prized accessory for women's head. This bird's feathers were put on women's hats. In United States of America, this bird was found. Number 5, once the most populous bird in the world, it was hunted down in large numbers. The last bird died in a zoo in 1940. The answer is passenger pigeon. This is the picture of passenger pigeon. It was the most populous bird in the world. It used to carry messages from one place to another, and it was hunted down in large numbers. The last bird died in a zoo in 1940. So children, both page 28 and 29, you have to do it in your GK copy. That is all for today. Thank you.